So let's get started. Today I'm gonna be I'm gonna be showing you guys some stuff that I just bought over the weekend. I mean, today's Sunday, but yeah, yesterday. I bought some stuff. I went to NYX and I saw that they had 20% off on concealers. So I just bought this concealer right here. So far I used it when I was doing my eyes. I used it on top of my eye. I didn't like that much because it has kind of like an oil consistency. If I'm using it on top of my eye right here, it's kind of like really sticky. You're gonna have to apply powder right away or it will start creasing. So I bought this in color medium olive. It's a full coverage concealer. It's from NYX. And yeah, it's called NYX Gotcha Cover. And this is how the little box looks like that I came with. I got this for like, I think $5 or $6. And then this one used to be, about this one too. And this one used to be $12. I think I got it for $10. Beautiful in medium. And so it's correct, conceal, contour. You could do everything with this palette. So I really like this palette. So the whole thing about this whole video today, I am trying this foundation right here. I wanted to try this foundation forever, but just never had a chance. Busy with school, kids, everything running around. So for this color right here, so I'm gonna go ahead. When I tried it on my face, I really liked the coverage. Let's put it to a test. So I'm gonna go ahead and wear this foundation all day. The time is around 1:42 and I'm gonna wear it for a few hours and then I'm gonna come back and show it to you guys how it looks. So yeah, this, if you guys want to see this makeup look, you could let me know my next video to be this makeup beautiful eye look. So today it's all gonna be about the review of this foundation right here. I'm gonna wear it and I'm gonna wear most of the stuff I'm gonna use today. It's gonna be from NYX. I'm not being sponsored or anything. I just have so much stuff from NYX, so I was like, you know what? Since I'm doing a review on this concealer, why not wear everything NYX? Almost everything except the powder and some little things that's not gonna be from NYX, but everything else is gonna be from NYX. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put this right in the back of my hand. I'm gonna put like 3 or 4 drops. I'm gonna do on one cheek first. I'm gonna go ahead and just clean. When I did my eyes, I just had a little, voila. Oh yeah, the palette I used today, I used the Magic palette. A lot of pores on my face, as you can see right here. I have a bunch of pores, so I'm gonna go ahead and use this primer right here, just to fill in the pores there. When I was a teenager, I used to have lots of pimples, so I never took care of my skin that well. So until when I got into makeup, which was I got into makeup when I was 11 years old. So yeah, crazy girl, right? So I'm just gonna go ahead and just fill in my pores with this, and then now I'm just gonna go ahead and shake well. That's what it says. So I'm gonna use a brush today. I'm just gonna put that right. It's really liquidy, as you can see. It's very liquidy. It's like watery consistency. And I'm just gonna go ahead and use this Technique brush here. And I'm just gonna go ahead and just grab some with my Technique. It's really light, so I'm gonna have to use more. That's not enough, so I'm just gonna get a lot. It says Total Control Drop Foundation. It doesn't really say if it's a full coverage or not. They just say Control Foundation. guys see? I'm gonna use the concealer. I just want to show you guys how this concealer goes on the bottom of my eyes, because I used it from the top of my eye right here when I was doing my shadow. Did not like it, but let's try here now. I'm just gonna go ahead and I'm gonna use my finger to just like apply. It's very oily. It says it's a full coverage concealer, so we'll see. Yeah, definitely seems like a really full coverage. It's really heavy and not like concealer, so. So I'm gonna go ahead and just apply some of this side. Just gonna a little bit more. I could feel it like really oily, kind of like a greasy on the bottom of my eye. Like it's really greasy concealer. I feel like they put a lot of oil or something. Okay, so I'm just gonna put some here and here. Just like that. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get my Laura Mercier powder. I'm just gonna put that in my lid. And I'm just gonna get my beauty blender. Highlighting contouring from NYX. Get this one right here. My Sigma brush, contouring brush. Just go ahead. It's called F40 from Sigma. And then I'm going to use this blush, Terracotta from NYX. Highlighting F35 tamper brush from Sigma. I'm gonna use, I bought this like last time I went to NYX, but Strobe Genius. Looks like that. This color right here. What's the name? I don't know, I can't find the name. Is it? The name in the back, does it? So I'm just gonna go ahead and get that with my Sigma brush. Go for this yellow one right here. I'm gonna add this yellow on my cheek. Add the yellow. Hey Hey guys, I'm back. So right now it is 10:21. I'm gonna go ahead and show you a close-up of my face, how it looks like. So the whole day today I did cleaning in my house, I cooked, I went out with my sister. There's one of our friends that came from Colorado. We went out with her and everything. So right now I'm really tired. Guys, how the foundation kept up? Well, this foundation, I think it's really nice, but it's not full coverage. You won't even feel it on your skin. Like, that's one of the things that I like about this foundation. And it matches up your skin perfectly, like perfect match. If you go and you go to NYX and you find a professional to match your skin, you will definitely love this foundation. It's really light. If you want to like you could actually add more and more product to just make it a little bit full coverage. Really love the foundation. So 1 out of 10, I would give it a 9. That's how much I liked it. It's really light, really nice. I like it. So this is how it looks. So show you guys a close-up. See it? I like the foundation. So alright guys, it's 10 o'clock at night here. I don't forget to subscribe to my channel, thumbs up to the video, turn up the notification, and if you're new, welcome, and if you're old, thank you for watching this video, and have a great night guys. Night or day.